and Happy New Year. I am going to go on my first ride of 2025. I hope everyone had an excellent winter break. We are slowly going to get back into our routines, which is good, I guess. I'm about to carry this ginormous backpack and go out and play. Hopefully, I capture something good for you. Let's go.
Okay, so our destination is called Lone Pine Canyon. It's not as far as it sounds, but it's only about an hour away. Let's go check it out.
Then it was time to get some gas. I looked serious because I was exhausted from carrying the backpack. I needed a break. In here, I was talking about my anxiety levels and how having half a tank was not enough for me to keep going. So I decided to stop and get some gas. Perfect opportunity to take a break. And then I moved on.
Okay, so we're actually only 3 minutes away from my destination. And I'll stop, play with the drone a bit, and try to get some shots. After that, there's a very cute cafe in a town called Wrightwood. I will stop and grab lunch because I haven't eaten anything, which is, I think, 17 minutes away from here. It's nothing. That ride was dreadful. It was straight, it was boring, but hopefully the view of this one will be worth it. Let's hit the road. I won't turn off the camera because we're literally 3 minutes away. Let's go.
See? Isn't already awesome?
Okay, it's time to say goodbye to this spot. It was pretty, but it was dirty. Now I'm just going to adjust the camera, record a good writing angle, I guess, of the little canyon road. Well, it's just canyon road, but it's not curvy at all. And after that, we'll go grab some lunch. I think you were probably able to tell from the last clip that I am terrified of dirt and sand when I'm riding cruisers. Whew, okay. There's no one coming. Okay. There we go. By the way, I'm wearing my Revit jacket. I don't care if it's an adventure jacket and I'm riding a cruiser. It's blue, the bike is blue, I'm happy. And it has armor. This place feels like Big Bear. And but it's much closer. It's only an hour away from where I live. It's around, what is it, like 65 miles? I wonder if it snows here. Oh, it smells good. If I could live anywhere I wanted, it wouldn't be a fancy place. I don't know, like Beverly Hills or Bel Air, or I don't know. It would be somewhere in the mountains. Oh, I'm not supposed to take a left, but I'm gonna do it! This is it. No parking at any time. Okay, I'll turn around.
Okay, I made it to the Grizzly Cafe, and I'm gonna show you my food as practice for my vlogging skills for the trip. I don't know how to do this. Hold on. There we go. It's soup and a piece of garlic bread. After this, I'll hit the road, go home. I didn't get to test the drone on the way here because I noticed that the view on the way back was better. So we'll see how that goes. Thanks for sticking around.
Okay, it's time to say goodbye to Wrightwood and go home. Hit the road. Okay, so thanks to my awesome quad lock mount and the wireless charger, I'm able to connect this to my phone. So you can hear me. I better not lose that. So you can hear me better. Okay, give me a minute. I'm practicing because I'm gonna have to do this when I go on the trip. So you connect it there, and then this is gonna go on my jacket. It's a little windy, so I think I should use one of these guys. I like the black one. Oops, sorry about that. And it has the option of using the magnet or a clip. I'm gonna use a clip. So I should put, you know what, I'm gonna use both. Okay, so goes in here. Oh, there we go. And then I'm gonna put that here. 1 second. Okay. Not nicely exhaust because it's hot. Okay. Gonna clean up a bit before the big moment. There we go. Wow, my hands are ashy. Okay, so this is my second time using this guy. So wish me luck. Thankfully, I have insurance. And I have to get insurance for. It's finally out. Okay, and the sun came out a bit, so I guess that's good. Let's see if we can take advantage of that. What I'm gonna do is connect my phone to the DJI mic, the mini. Let's go home because I've been using the mic with the Cardo, and right now I'm using the mic of the DJI. So it should be clearer with this. And another thing that I'm gonna try is the active tracking of this one. Anyway, let's get to it. It's kind of windy. I am scared, but here goes nothing. Okay. Let's see. Oh, shoot, I have to turn it on. Oh boy. There we go. Oh, I forgot this too. Okay. Pardon me. Fellow rider? Yay! Woohoo! I'm jealous. Oh, okay. Gimbal stuck. What does that mean? Oh my god. I forgot to remove this. There we go. That should do the trick. Okay, let's see. Oh, wish me luck, people. Take off. Nice. Okay. Now what I want to do is have it. Oh my. Go up. Up. I'm gonna take a seat, get comfortable. Okay. Down. Hi.
Oh my god, I'm terrible at this. Let's see. That's good. But what I want to do is move it that way. Okay, so I knew I was forgetting something. There was one micro SD card at home, and I didn't know where it belonged. It didn't belong to the Insta360, to the DJI, or the camera. And then now I'm realizing it now. The reason why it's not working, it's because the drone doesn't have a micro SD card. Oh well. Okay, okay. That's enough. That's enough. Let me bring it down. If it's not one thing, it's another. Thank you for bearing with me. Let's go home.
I'm home. I think you can tell by my face and my hair. But according to the Rever app, an app that I use to track all my rides. Oh God. I was out for about 5 hours and I was in movement for about 2 hours and 43 minutes, a total of 142 miles. Not bad for a first ride. So why don't you tell me about your first ride of the year, and I will share some of the photos that I took a little later. Right now, I think I'm gonna go take a shower. Bye.